morning everyone. My name is Shreya from Care and Cure Institute of Nursing and Research. So today I want to say about today days, that is the International Day of Women and Girls in Science is on the annual observance adopted by the United Nations General Assembly to promote the full and equal access and participation of women in science, engineering, technology, mathematics, fields, which proclaimed the 11th day of February, passed on 22 December 2015. A theme is selected annually to highlight a particular focus and area of discussion around a focus point for gender equality in science. This day is a reminder that women and girls play a crucial role in critical and in science and technology communities. And the significance and objectives of International Day of Women and Girls in Science includes promoting gender equality, encouraging equal opportunity for women and girls in scientific education and careers, inspiring future generation to pursue studies and careers in STEM fields, challenging stereotypes and bias, helps in greater inclusion of women in decision-making process and leadership role within the scientific community. Some name of female scientists whose name and voice will not be even known by human in science field, like Kadambini Ganguly, Anna Mani and B. Vijay Lakshmi. So, International Day of Women and Girls in Science is a reminder of the importance of diversity in the scientific community. On this day, let us continue to support and empower women and girls in science, ensuring that their voices and talents are heard and valued in the quest for knowledge and innovation. Thank you.